How are you? Fine? Good. So, we were learning about the Harappan civilizations. Then we learned already two parts were learned. In that, I was just talking about the archaeologist. Then I spoke about the town planning system. In that, we learned Great Bath. Then how were the roads constructed? What was the style of the houses? How many stories were there in the houses? Then I just told about the Great Bath, Assembly Hall, people dwelling houses, their sculptures and crafts, their amusements, their dressing style, their food habits, everything was completed. Now we are going to learn about the Lothal dockyard. We are going to learn about the religious beliefs that the Harappan civilizations had. So, like I said, they were knowing the art of doing various things. It may be out of the terracottas, it may be out of the beads whichever were available during that time. So, they were trading this along with other countries, maybe like Persia, maybe the Central Asia, Kashmir, then it may be India or other parts. So, when they had the trading system, we should also know through what they traded, because as said different parts, then it is definitely by the land route or by the sea routes. So they were having the land route as well as the sea route to trade from one place to another. So they gave importance to the trade purpose because a lot of income was coming to their civilization, Harappans. Then they gave important for the games, they gave important for the hobbies. Like for example, the dice was known to them. Many dice were being found during the time of the excavation. Many terracotta toys were seen during the excavation. Many types of animals were seen during the excavations. That means that they were knowing the style of having the terracotta, they were knowing the style of games, they were having the ideas of hobbies. So this particular thing itself says that they were having lot of interest in cultural activities. Now when I speak about the religious, I have already told that they were the worshippers of nature. They were worshipping the Shiva. It is believed that Shiva was meditating under a tree, and this particular thing they are calling it as the Mahayogi, mean a person who is meditating under a tree. In the same time, we can also see a female figure of a lady. So we can say that they worship the lady, mean it is the we can say it as the mother goddess or the Shakti. So Trimukha is also known to them. Trimukha is the person who is having three faces, that is Brahma. They were knowing about Brahma, they knew about Vishnu as well as Maheshwara. So this religious beliefs were followed by the people in Harappan civilization. As I spoke about the utensils, ornaments, dressing style, so they were a very good lover of art and architecture. People of Indus Valley believed in some form of life after the death. Just like Egyptians believed life after the death, in the same way, these Harappans also believed life after the death. So, many of the things which were most near to the place, near to the person, were all buried when the body was buried in the mud. So, they placed the main belongings of the dead like food, utensils, ornaments, mirror set, etc. along with the dead body, as they thought that the dead might need these things for the next life. So, they believed life after the death. Now, coming to the art of writing. Earlier, we had 62 basic signs or the symbols which were received during the time of excavations, but later on those were being reduced to 22. So still it is a mystery about why it is being reduced or what does it decipher. Coming next is the Lothal dockyard. As I already told, they gave more importance for the trading system. The Lothal dockyard was chosen by the people of Harappans to settle down, because as we know, water is very essential for each and every purpose in the human beings, in the life of human beings. they searched a place where they could land the ship, or they could see that the water is available to them during the places during the times of need. So this particular Lothal dockyard was 223-meter long. It was 35 meters in width and depth it was 8 meters. So that you can see such a big Lothal dockyard was very well used by the people of Harappans. Archaeologist finds that it was like hydraulic knowledge. They were knowing or having the idea of hydraulic knowledge too. So this particular Harappans knew about each and everything. They were so modernized. They were thinking so modern in the age, that they knew what all the things were going on in and around the country. But when they were so modernized, what made them to decline, or how was the decline of this Harappan civilization? Also, we call it them as the Indus Valley civilization. Around 1800 BC, Indus Valley civilization came to a sudden end. Why? Because what happens is, maybe because of the civilizations, or maybe because of the floods, or maybe because of the climatic changes, or also it is believed that because of the Aryan tribes, this particular civilization came to an end. It may be because it was very close to the Lothal dockyard. It may be because of the flood, or it may be because of the Aryans who invaded the places and took a lead over that particular civilization. So far whatever is being completed through the videos, through the video links, you have to complete the notes till then. So geography we have completed 2 lessons, then civics we have completed 1 lesson, and history we have completed 1 lesson. I have already sent you the link of pressure belts and also the hydrosphere. So remaining part we can learn it later on. So hydrosphere and also the pressure belts are very important. If at all you go to Evergreen Publications, you will find a link wherein you can see the question answers. So those question answers can be copied in your books. Till then, take care. Bye.